Microsoft Word side-by-side translating. In this video you will learn what is side-by-side translating, when and why can be good choice, how to make it possible in Word, and how to do it smart. Side-by-side translating. What does it mean? It's very simple. We are talking about side-by-side translating when we have the source text on the left and we put the translation next to it on the right. When can be good choice? If you do not use any cut tool and you have to translate a Word document that is not too complex, then side-by-side translating may be the preferred way to go. The source text on the left stays visible all the time, and the translated text occurs on the right, simple to compare with the source text and to correct if necessary, whenever you want. How to make it possible? If you want to translate side-by-side in Word, use two column tables. The first column is for the source text, and the second column is for the translation. You can do this by converting the source origin text to a table. Select the source text you want to convert and hit menu command, Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table. Then hit OK button. Now you have a one-column table. After that, you can easily add the second column by copying the existing column or by inserting a new one. And there you are. Almost. How to do it smart? The problem is that in this case, each cell in the table may contain many sentences. It would be better if each cell would contain only one sentence, for two reasons. First, it's just about comfort, but also accuracy and quality when you're translating. It's just better to see and to translate all sentences separately. Second, if you split the text into sentences and it will be translated this way, then in future you will be able to reuse the translation you have done, with any cut tool you want. This is a really big advantage. So, how to do it? Microsoft Word converts text to a table by using any character you want. By default, it is a paragraph mark. When you convert a text containing 4 paragraph marks, Microsoft Word will change it into a table with 4 cells, actually 4 rows, each containing one paragraph. What to do to get a table with cells containing single sentences? You have to separate the sentences with paragraph marks. The most sentences end with dots, question marks and exclamation marks. The easiest way would be to add, directly after them, paragraph marks that would be used by Microsoft Word to convert the text into a table. But there is another problem. If the text already contains paragraph marks, sometimes a few together, we cannot just add to them new paragraph marks, because this way we are changing the text structure. Later, when we convert back the translated table to the text, we will be not able to recover the original paragraph structure. All that sounds a bit difficult, but it isn't. If we want to keep the origin text structure, we have to make a few changes before we do the conversion and after that. Let's see how it works. Run command find and replace. Keyboard shortcut Ctrl-H. In the first field type in dot and card symbol P for paragraph mark. In the second field, dot and twice card P for 2 paragraph marks, and hit Replace All button. Now run the function find and replace again and do the same for exclamation mark and then for question mark. After that we have to change dot and 1 space character into dot and card P for 1 paragraph mark, and then the same for exclamation and question marks. Select the whole text by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl-A and run menu command Insert, Table, Convert Text to Table. If you want to translate the text by overwriting it, select and copy the source column and paste it as a second one for the translated text. Finally, click the table with the right mouse button and run Autofit to Window. And here you are! You can translate the text in the right column, sentence after sentence. When the translation is done, delete the source column. Select it with the left mouse button. Press the right mouse button and run Delete Columns. Now we have only one column with the translation. Select it and run the menu command Layout Convert to Text. After that, we change with the Find and Replace command. Dot and card P for paragraph mark into dot and space character. The same we do for the exclamation mark and for the question mark. And the last change, space character and paragraph mark into paragraph mark. That's it. This way we have the ready translation after side-by-side translating in Word, with the same text structure as the origin text. If you want to learn more solutions relating to translation in Microsoft Word, check out our Ninja courses.